So this is my friend. What's your name? Dylan. We're gonna do a Batman design on him. I am using the Maui Global, I believe it's Global. I'm using a round sponge, getting all of the colors on there for one stroke, and we're gonna go boop, right there on your cheek. And then we're gonna swirl this around, just like that. Look at that really cool design it made on his cheek. That's pretty awesome. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. And close, gentle, gentle, gentle. Very good. We're gonna take the corner and go down, other side down, and do a little V. Fill it in. Ta-da.
That tickles me.
Does it?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm not meaning to tickle you, but that's okay, right? You don't mind?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna fill this in right here and fill this in right here. And this is a very quick, simple Batman design to do. Dylan, how old are you?
3.
You're 3 years old. You just turned 3, huh?
Yeah.
And who was at your birthday party?
Batman.
Batman, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, huh?
He took a cupcake home for this day.
He did?
Yeah.
And check this out. You're all done, my friend. There you go.
Yes.
Very good. You want to say thank you and wave bye-bye? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.